Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a hot plate on this Rangemaster cooker. If your hot plate no longer works or is no longer heating up, it will need replacing. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. I'm going to start by removing this vent at the back of the cooker by undoing the 4 screws. With the vent out of the way, I can now undo these 2 screws to release the top, move it forward, and then I can access the hot plate. So I'm just going to lean the top back. And this is the hot plate that we're going to be replacing. And here you can see the electrical connections, including the earth wires that go to the center of the hot plate. So what I'm going to do is just take a photo of the electrical connections just to be sure that I can replace them in the same way. Then I can disconnect the electrical connections and also release the nut that releases the earth wires from the hot plate. So take off your 2 earthing wires and then use the nut spinner again to release the nut that holds the hot plate in place. And then we can simply lift out the hot plate. I can then pop in our new hot plate very carefully, making sure that the electrical terminals are as near to the center as possible before refitting our locking bar. Making sure the nut that holds the locking bar in place is nice and tight before reconnecting our earth wires and then fitting the nut that holds those in place as well. Now the earth wires are in place, I can, using my photo, refit the electrical connections. Before then refitting the top. When replacing the hob top, just make sure that you're fitting it correctly. There's 2 recesses here which just go over these locking screws, so make sure they drop in position like so before then pushing the top back, otherwise the top will be loose. So fit the screws that hold the top in place, and then you can replace the vent at the back. So there we have it, one brand new hot plate fitted to this Rangemaster cooker. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.